Happy Tuesday, scholars. It's going to be a short video today. Just want to go over a few announcements, and then you guys have some independent practice to do. It's going to be a great practice on multiplying and dividing decimals. This will be just great preparation for your test on Thursday. So I do want to start it off with some 100% shout outs. Huge long list today. So impressed with all the 100% I saw, which should have been a lot of 100%, right? Because we gave away all the answers in the actual video. So from UNC, we had Annalie, Chris, Manuel, Latasia, Tembi, Andrew, Miguel Angel, Jasmine, Dillery, and Lyric. Nice work, UNC scholars. From SCU, we had Amelia, Abimael, Ricardo, and Naira, Philip, Giovanna, Danya, Alejandro, Corday, Aiden, Adam, Zach, Nevaeh, and Michelle. Whew, huge list SCU. And from Duke, we had Monica, Camila, Larry, Hiram, Eulity, Diemi, and Tatiana. Nice work, Duke scholars as well. So quite a few in the 100% club. These are all scholars who took the time to carefully watch the video, do the problems along with the video. Should have been an easy submission. You already had all the correct answers. And then, of course, are just in great shape for both today's independent practice and for your test on Thursday, as well as just being prepared for that 6th grade math. Other exciting announcement for today. I know some of you heard this from Mr. Augusta this morning. We are just so excited to roll out Vista Virtual Points. So these are very similar to earning dollars in your classroom. They're going to be points awarded for doing things like turning in assignments, getting 80s or 90s or 100s on assignments, going to reteach, going to office hours, coming to ask questions, showing any of your core values and just going above and beyond. So I'm excited to share today's top earners so far, but did just want to start by reminding everybody what some of these prizes are. It's going to start this Friday. So the top student earner in each grade level, so that will be for us here in 5th grade, we'll have one winner for Hadley and one winner for Maryvale. You actually get to be the host for a day, choose a group of friends, and host a social Zoom. So a lot of fun. You can pick all the different, you can pick the music, you can pick what you guys want to talk about. So a lot of fun. The top 5 earners in each grade level, you get an assignment pass for the day. So there's one day when you say, oh, not going to do today's assignment. Pretty sweet prize. Top 10 student earners, you guys get to have a lunch bunch with 2 teachers of your choice. Top 20 student earners, a virtual dance party or movie lunch. And the most exciting prize that I'm really excited about is for every single point that you earn, you enter a raffle ticket into a raffle. On Fridays, we will do the drawing where we'll pull out your name, and the winner actually gets a pizza delivery to your house. Pretty cool stuff. So Domino's or Papa John's or whoever will just show up at your house with your pizza. Pretty cool. So let's actually take a look at our top earners so far. This is just based on yesterday. Again, everyone who got a 100% got points for academic excellence. Everyone who turned in their assignment on time got a point for assignment completion. So all these scholars will already see those points in their accounts. If you attended office hours or reteach yesterday, you got points for that, as well as scholars who have just gone above and beyond, showing their core values. As an example, I know Ajane earned some points in reteach yesterday because she was speaking up so loud and clear. She was asking and answering so many good questions. Just like in the classroom, we would say that shows enthusiasm. Ajane was showing a lot of enthusiasm, so she earned a point. I know Latasia earned a point for respect, for being so incredibly helpful, not only getting her own assignments turned in, but helping to get her younger siblings and cousins all signed up as well. So she earned points for that. So just like you can get points for showing your core values in the classroom, you can get them on your Google Classroom as well. All right, so let's get a drum roll, please. And let's take a look at the leaderboard for today. All right, starting off in first place, we got a couple scholars tied with 6 points. This is just based on yesterday. So huge shout outs to Giovanna, Abimael, and Andrew. Close second place right now, Latasia. We have Ajane Kamaya right after that. And then a whole bunch of scholars who have earned 3 points already for academic excellence, for getting 100% yesterday and submitting your assignment on time. All right, if you are a scholar with 0 points right now, time to step it up. Make sure you're getting your assignments turned in on time. Going for those really great scores. You get those great scores by watching the videos, doing the math along with them. Cannot wait to see how many 100% and on-time assignments we have turned in today. Right now, these points are just showing math. Ms. Richardson and Ms. Trotter will be adding in your points for ELA as well. So if you've been turning in those assignments, doing really well on those, you'll see your balance go up and up and up. And then I cannot wait to see at the end of the week who those winners are. As a reminder about the raffle, you get 1 raffle ticket for every point you have. So Abimael, just after yesterday, will get 6 raffle tickets, 6 little tickets with his name on it, put in the hat. That gives him a really good chance of being selected for our pizza delivery winner. Fun stuff. Even if you aren't in the winner, if you have, say, Philip has 3 points, he'll get his name put to the raffle 3 times. So every single point counts. Best of luck. I cannot wait to see who our winners are. I'll be posting the leaderboard each day in our videos. You'll see it in your homeroom class as well, so we can continue just celebrating these scholars who are showing all of their core values. Best of luck. I cannot wait to see who wins this week. All right. Today, you guys are doing an independent practice, so you do have 5 decimal multiplication and division problems to work through on your own. You will submit them when you are done. As just a really quick reminder, we have steps for both multiplying decimals and dividing decimals. One strategy, you do not have to use this strategy, but one strategy a lot of us have been really successful with when multiplying decimals is just using our standard algorithm. So we line up the numbers. We're not worried about lining up the decimal point. We want to just line up the numbers. We actually multiply just like normal. And then at the end, we say, wait a second, 12 and 71/100 times 4/10, that can't be 5,084. That doesn't match my estimate. That makes no sense. And so we always go back and add in the decimals by counting all the numbers after that decimal point, 1, 2, 3, and then moving our decimal point in our product the same amount of spaces, 1, 2, 3. Cannot wait to see all the success with multiplying decimals on your independent practice today. And then additionally, you will have some problems dividing decimals. We talked about a couple different strategies for dividing decimals yesterday. We know that one strategy is to set up an equivalent expression by moving the decimal point the same number of places in both my divisor and my dividend to get rid of the decimal point. And then I can go ahead and divide, knowing that my quotient is going to be the same once I've taken out the decimal points because I've created an equivalent expression. Another strategy we tried yesterday was if we had a divisor that didn't have a decimal point in it, we could divide using our big 7. And then just like multiplication, remember to add that decimal point back in at the end. All right, that's it for your video for today. One last thing I did want to share with you about our friend Watson. Watson's favorite cereal, what he likes to have every single morning for breakfast, is Lucky Charms. It's not the healthiest cereal. I've been trying to encourage him to eat something with a little less sugar, but this is what he wants every single morning. He used to just pick out the marshmallows and eat only the marshmallows, but I said, if you're going to have Lucky Charms, you have to at least eat the cereal part as well. So this is what he wants every morning, is a big bowl of Lucky Charms cereal. He really likes the marshmallows. Probably why he likes Marshmallow Peeps so much. So remember, write it down if you need to, that Watson's favorite cereal, it's Lucky Charms. All right, scholars, best of luck in your independent practice today. It was a short video today, so once you are done watching this, you can go ahead and open up that independent practice. Make sure you have your scrap paper, solve all of your problems, double check your work. I cannot wait to see more 100%, and I cannot wait to see which scholars are earning all these Vista virtual points and who are going to be our winners at the end of the week on Friday. If you have any questions, please come to office hours. Remember, you also get additional points for showing up to office hours. Some scholars have just shown so much initiative by having a question, coming to office hours, asking their question, getting the help that they need. That is how you're going to be really successful and just so prepared for 6th grade next year. All right, happy solving. See you guys tomorrow.